Ka Business Advisory Committee jong ka iing dorbar thawain jong ka jylla Meghalaya ka prasyong jengalang hakani kasngi baar bla shim yakarai ba ka dorbar mang tyngka jong ka iing dorbar thawain ka jylla kan long tadu ka khan ri Rupang hadu ka arpu nyo Rupang arajar arpun rio.
Everyone.
Happy New Year, Papa. You looking younger now. Tura.
This meeting of the Business Advisory Committee today.
Yes. Yes, we have conducted the meeting of the Business Advisory Committee to discuss about the coming budget session, and we have decided that the budget session will be commencing from 16th February, which is Monday, and we'll have 10 working days, and which will end on 27th February 2026.
How many number of private members and?
We have, I think, 3 private members business, and the rest are all government business.
When will be the budget presented?
The budget presentation will take place on 20th February 2026, which is Friday.
So there are always concerns about the shortage of time. Always it comes up. So are there any measures to ensure that?
Yes, we have extended early. That's why we are having 10 working days, out of which 7 days have been allotted for government business and 3 days for private members business. And we have also decided that we have mentioned here we will extend the time if required, and we have also made provisions like on the day which we will take up the voting on supplementary demands. We will go up to 3 p.m. in the evening, and if required, we will extend the time also.
The conducting of the session is early this year.
I'm sorry?
Compared to previous years, usually it used to be in the March. Any reason for preponing the session?
No, we are not preponing.
Budget session usually.
We are not preponing nor this thing, because we are having it because it is. We have decided, and we were also advised by the government to start the budget session a little early.
Because of the district council election.
It could be one of the reasons, yes.